Today we are doing our week 2 treatment, which is our pre-emergent herbicide. Now I use Embargo and I tank mix that with moist. Embargo 50 mils and moist 100 mils per the 100 square meters. You can find our calendar and program on lawnpornonline.com. The advantages of pre-emergent herbicides is they work before the weeds actually germinate. They work at the soil level where the weed seeds are and stop those weed seeds getting roots going and developing into a weed plant. Don't be frightened to have a mow before putting Embargo down because Embargo is watered in.
Looking good.
At this time of year, we're using Embargo to target winter grass. Essentially, there are a lot of do nots that you need to check out, but the main thing is that you can't use it if it's not an established turf with a deep root system. Embargo is suitable for cooch, kikuyu and buffalo, has 16 weeks protection, is used early March and late September or early October after your renovation's recovered. So we need to water that product into the profile so it sits in the upper profile, so we only need about 10 to 15 mils of water, which is about half an hour on my sprinklers. Make sure to give the product a good shake. Pour in half of your water first. Mix your products in. Now here's a good little tip. The syringe that you use to apply your product, you can wash that out in the remaining amount of water that you have and then add that to your mix. Mix your products well together. Wear some protective clothing and spray in an even, deliberate fashion with little to no overlap. The application perfectly. Just running out now. Good stuff. Now we water it in. Pre-emergent herbicide needs to be watered in, and it is the most gentle application on lawn because it doesn't affect it and the weeds don't germinate. That's the whole trick about it. Embargo pre-emergent herbicide is one of many on the market and it can be quite hard to find. If you're having some difficulty, check out our friends at Toolroom. They dispatch before 3 PM if it's ordered on that day. It's toolroom.com.au.